Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make soft and delicious paneer fry recipe. We only need a very few ingredients and 10 minutes to make this yummy paneer recipe. Let's move to the video. First we need to marinate paneer cubes. For that, in a bowl take 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder, pinch of Turmeric Powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Mix it well. Now add 200 grams of paneer cut into cubes. Coat them well. Keep marinated for 30 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 30 minutes, we can fry the marinated paneer. In a pan, take 2 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add the marinated paneer cubes and fry it. Fry it on low flame until it becomes light golden brown color. Now switch off the flame. 10 minutes, soft and delicious paneer fry recipe is ready. We only need a very few ingredients and 10 minutes to make this yummy paneer recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.